Hello everyone, today we'll discuss exercise 4.2 question number 3. Draw any polygon and say its interior. Right? What is the criteria of polygon? The criteria of polygon is it has two properties. First one, it is made of a straight line. It is made of a straight line. It is made of a straight line. And second point is it is a closed curve. Second point is it is a closed curve. It is a closed curve. Closed curve. Right? Now, if we draw polygon and made of a straight line, it is should be a closed curve, like triangle. Right? It is closed curve and made of three straight line. Therefore, it is a polygon. Right? It is a polygon. Number A. We'll write here another, that is rectangle. It is a closed figure and made up of four lines, and it is made by straight line also. Therefore, it is also a polygon. Right? This is also a polygon. Right? Now we'll make another. Suppose 4, we can draw 5 also. 5 straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is also a closed curve and it is made of a straight line. Therefore, it is also a polygon. Polygon. Or we can draw 6 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also a polygon because it is a closed figure and made up of a straight line. Right? Polygon. There are many such examples of polygon. Here, suppose we have written here many sides, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also a polygon, right? Because it is a polygon because it is made up of a straight line and it is also a closed curve. And set its interior. You have to set the interior of the figure. You have to set it, right? In this case, you also set this one. Interior you have to set, right? Right? In this way, you have to set the interior of the different polygons, right? Now you set it. This way I am shading this one. I am shading this one also. These are all polygons. That means polygon has two properties. One is that it is made up of straight lines and it is a closed curve. This is the solution of question number 3.